Well, welcome to our Easter video. We've got a lot planned this weekend. We've got an Easter egg hunt or a treasure hunt, and we've also got Easter games on Sunday. So I hope you enjoy it as much as we do. It's Easter Saturday, and it's a chilly morning and a little slight fog down on the flat. The sun is rising. It's my favourite time of year. It's just beautiful here this morning. Easter Saturday. Got our bed of pansies in now. And this salvia, it's just alive with bees and birds. It's magnificent. All these beautiful flowers. Sun just coming up. Mum's moved the pots of native violets out here, and they are so pretty. Absolutely beautiful. Look at all those little sweet little flowers. There's a good example. Oh, you big dog. You big hound. Push it into my video. You want a cameo performance, do you? Hello, Bella. Yes, good morning, darling. Good morning, Stacey. You great big red dog. Mucking about together. Have a lovely time, these two. It is just so beautiful here. So we've got this area all set up. There's a little meeting place. The different households can get together and have a chat and have a cuppa. We've got there you go, the puppies. We've got in the middle of the laundry here, tea and coffee all set up so that people can have a cup. How beautiful is that? Good morning, Missy. How are you? Missy's visiting for the weekend for Easter. Oh, just an absolutely magic time of year. Isn't that light beautiful? Oh my goodness. Absolutely magic. I love these beautiful grass with their fluffy seed heads. Oh, such a beautiful morning. How magic is that? All the puppies having a drink out of their favourite drinking pot. Good morning, Stu. This is very pretty, succulent. And this pot here.
Oh, Sue, you have no idea how wonderful I feel today with everybody here, or almost everybody,
Yes.
and things happening and a gorgeous day and
everything looking so beautiful and everyone.
Well, we're all happy
Yes.
together in this
Yes.
beautiful surrounding that we've all created, and
Yeah.
oh, it makes my heart so glad.
I know.
I'm so happy.
I'm so happy that you're with us, Mum.
Yes, darling.
It's lovely having
Yes, I
you
made it.
here.
I
You
made
did. You've made it another year at this perfect time of year.
Thank you for the letter. I'm going to stick it on my fridge. Here is a clue to treasure I have left for you all to share.
I reckon we should go
What?
get Abby.
Oh my goodness.
Treasure?
I'll go
Look,
get
wait, Ivy, come here, come here. Ivy, it says it's a clue. What do you think it means? Where do you think the treasure... There was no chicken here. Where are eggs under a chicken?
We got a clue.
A clue.
Chloe eggs come from. They come right here.
So there were eggs. There were 3 eggs with a clue right here.
What do you think the
Oh.
clue means? What's on the clue?
What does it say? So there's a clue in here.
Yeah, it's a fireplace. We just found them.
Right?
Look,
Oh, wow. Can I?
look,
That's
more
not the
eggs.
right clue.
Oh, lovely.
That's not right. What's that?
Oh, that's...
That's the right.
I think that's it. I think it might be.
It looks like the incinerator to me.
Yeah.
Maybe we should go out to the incinerator.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Look, we
Oh, yeah. I would like to have a look at all the clues when you finish.
clue. This is number 1. The
Right,
chicken.
right.
And this
Number
is
1.
number 2. Cujo. This is our
Oh, Cujo's grave.
And
Yes.
the rock had some Easter eggs.
Oh, the next. Yes, the fireplace beside Granny's chair. So, next clue. Looks like it might be under Ty's pillow on his bed. Can I have a look at this treasure? Oh my goodness, he's magnificent.
Like, Mum, it wasn't
Let's go have some brekkie.
Like, Mum, he gave us this for nothing. We just
Well, he did make you run around the farm to get it. Yeah, that's it. You go and have breakfast now.
Do you want
You-
to eat that?
I tell you what, I'll have
Oh,
one
what a
later.
what a lovely sharing boy.
That's
You
good.
already gave me one, remember?
So you got it.
Have you eaten?
I haven't eaten it. I put it in Sophie's bucket. She's been carrying it for me.
So you got to go have a nice big healthy breakfast so you can.
Yes,
have
yes,
chocolate
you got to have proper food before you eat all that chocolate, darling. One was the final clue. Yes, I am. Yeah. I really like those pajamas with those bunnies. So,
There is the same bird, I reckon.
yep. So which one do you reckon's the heaviest egg?
Well, I haven't gone through all yet, but this is what you got to do if you want to win. You know,
Okay.
you got to use the rules that are there. You got to
And ex-
play within the rules.
and exploit them.
That's right.
Gotcha.
I think this is the winning egg.
Okay. So it's the heaviest egg, so you think the shell's the
Well,
strongest.
I think this one might have a good shell on it.
Okay. Yes,
So I'm going to
yes.
mark it with a texter.
Got a little eastern spinebill here. Oh, 2 of them. I love these little matchstick flowers. Arthur's here for his morning feed. Isn't he beautiful? Okay, oh, there's another boy up there. And then Arthur's still down. Arthur's our boldest boy. He's the very first one, always the very first one down. Now we have Martha down here with Arthur, having their breakfast together. So we're over next door, where my aunt bought a property, and so we've got a lot of family camping over here, family and friends, and we're just about to have Easter games on Sunday morning here. Now there's a nice rig. This is who?
Luke and Tisha's dog. His name's Teddy.
Teddy. Oh my goodness. And here we have the colouring in competition. And haven't we got some lovely entries?
Yes.
Indeed.
Me, Jada, and Lucy
Yeah.
are the judges. For...
Okay. New entry coming on the board.
Ivy, okay? And you don't...
Here we have the Easter egg decorating entries. Oh, haven't we got some lovely people? How cool are these eggs? My goodness, some people have gone to a lot of effort with these eggs. Oh, look, this guy's even got headphones on. Some hair. Oh, little baby chickens. I love the baby chickens. Ooh, glitter. Yes.
Glitter and rainbow, that's my egg.
Lots of, yes. Beautiful. And what about these ones? Have you done an egg yet, Ivy?
Yeah.
You have. Which one's your egg, sweetheart? Oh, I love that one. That one's lovely.
And that is Jada's egg. Yeah, that's mine.
Jada, look, Jada. That is just, I love it.
It's a rabbit egg.
What is this that?
I chopped up a pom-pom.
Nice. And these couple are lovely too. River's made an entry. Beautiful. Oh, yeah, and a couple more up the back there. Right.
You can rethrow as many times as you want.
Okay. And what high score with? Oh, that one's right off.
High school wins.
Oh my goodness, I'm very consistent in that one spot off the board. That's a bit better. I've got a good line.
The beauty is that an entire miss is a good throw because you get to do it again.
Okay, nice.
Okay, so 74.
74. How's that? How do I stack up?
Not last.
I put my thing away.
Broken 200 yet.
Not a single one. But that.
You're probably of an age that you ought to be back a bit. I think it's.
So that's where the adults stand with that bit of wood.
Oh, now that, how good was that? So here we have the drawing station, the colouring in station, where everybody's busily doing their entries with a lovely set of colouring in pencils.
Message gets a rethrow. It's 9 scoring darts.
This is Jude and Pete's cabin over here. Which is got this amazing vine in under the awning. And just a little bedroom inside. Here we have eggs from past years. Look at these guys.
And she'll make a choice as she gets on.
But that's a dart champion.
How cool are they?
Educate her and tell her what it is.
Come in here and I'll show you.
Right. So, some of the particularly special ones. This is a big winner last year. That's Tom's self-portrait.
With the hat?
Hand-carved hat.
Oh my goodness. Look at that egg. That is amazing.
This is Lady Gugu from many years ago, and she's still a star.
Lady Gugu, right.
Down the bottom here, we've got some very nature-inspired eggs on the shelf.
Yes.
I think there were some slightly dubious entries that maybe people were working on in previous to the actual Easter weekend.
Okay.
This is a hand-dyed one with onion skin.
Yes. Lovely. Yeah. Look at that. Oh my goodness.
And that's it. Been there, done that now.
How awesome is that?
Yeah, I
egg?
forgot about
Turn
that
around.
hat, how it was done.
How cool is that hat?
It's amazing.
It is. Which one?
This one.
Oh yeah, that's beautiful, isn't it?
One from last year with the beard and the
How beautiful is this one? It's got little folded bits of
That one,
paper.
Ari. His self-portrait, and it does look like him, doesn't it? Tom from yesterday.
How beautiful.
Yeah, I'm not sitting over there, so come on over.
Oh, this one's pretty spectacular too. Wow. Some people put a lot of effort into their eggs. Wow. How beautiful. So here we've got the egg decorating people in the station over here. Of course, completed entries here. Archery. We've got archery going over here. So this is the archery station over here. This is the archery target. So not your standard circular target with the bullseye in the middle. So you can get a really good score if you get right on the edge there. So look, you can get 82 or even top corner 97. Right in the middle actually is not that terrific, the number. Oh no, there is a 95. And there is one with an Easter egg on it. On the edge there. I wonder if somebody gets something special if they get that one. These are the bows you can use in the archery competition. And so we've got two starting positions, one back here for the adults and one up there for the children. And that is just, the children's pretty close to the target, of course. I've just noticed this beautiful bottle tree next to the archery station. This is not native to this area. You find the bottle trees up in Queensland. So this has been deliberately planted down here, and it must be quite old to be that size, because they grow in the desert areas, and their trunks hold extra water. They just so that's taken a lot of years to grow to that size. And this is the bathroom.
Okay.
Oh, sorry.
Look at how many ones did I get?
So 1, 2,
If I could have got 20, I'd have been right.
That's right. And that's 22.
So this is the bathroom in here. So you can light a fire under the bath to heat up your water, and then jump in there and have a lovely bath under the stars.
He got a triple straight up, did he?
These are my cousins.
Dark horses here, aren't you?
Having
Been
a
practicing
go
for weeks.
at the archery.
That also wasn't brand new.
We take this very serious. Here's the other. So we've got two toilets over here, both with vacant or engaged signs. So you can flip your sign if the toilet is occupied. So we've got little roofs over the toilets, so to collect water, and then that goes into an IBC that's under all this tin. And then we've got a very clever little foot pump down here. So you've got a foot pump, and you pump your foot on here, and then you get water coming out to wash your hands. How cool is that? How cool is that? Of course, they just pick toilets. So we've got the archery, the darts. We've got the Easter egg decorating and colouring in. Quoits. Later in the day we'll have the egg toss. Camellia is looking lovely at the moment. Beautiful. Well, I hope you enjoyed all our Easter festivities. I know we certainly did. And if you did enjoy our video, if you could like and subscribe, that would really help us out. Thank you. Bye.